from The Unprofessional, and today I am with Ruben, and we are going to make, what are we calling it?
Nature sandbox.
A nature sandbox. So let's go ahead and get started.
My son is 7, so he was really excited to be the rock box designer. I put some parameters in place so that what he came up with would actually be possible to create. And spoiler alert, we got pretty close to his design. A nature rock box is a pretty easy and low-cost backyard addition as long as you have space for it. Come on, you don't need that much space. We're using 7 feet by about 3.5 feet and expect it to accommodate about 2 to 3 kids and dozens of mosquitoes. You do need a border of some sort, and I'm using an existing retaining wall, but you could use bricks, rocks, or anything else that will keep the pebbles corralled in one space. I dug down about 4 inches and a little deeper in the center just to give it some interesting shape. I did transplant a few of the plants that were in the area, but I kept the vine because I think it puts the nature in our nature rock box. If you plan to have any plants in your rock box, I do recommend protecting them with a landscape barrier or any kind of edging material. I rake the dirt and check for roots. You really want to remove as much of the roots and weeds and all of that as you can, otherwise your rock box will soon become a weedy crabgrass box, and that's just not as fun. This is the most important step. Even if you weed to perfection, the landscape fabric is clutch. It keeps things from growing through it, and it also keeps the pebbles from becoming one with the dirt below.
Talk about having the exact amount with nothing left to spare. This is perfect.
Now that the fabric is down, I'm ready for my pea gravel base. I filled in the deeper spots first and worked my way out, spreading all the pebbles with a rake.
Okay, I've got almost all of the rock I need in here. I had all of this on hand, so that's a win. I haven't had to buy anything yet for this project, but that's about to change because I got to get a few more bags of this pea gravel, and then I need to get a few bags of pebble pond or pond pebble.
Hey, while I'm on my Home Depot run, if you find yourself enjoying this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Before adding the rest of the pea gravel and the pond pebbles, I found some driftwood and some rocks in my yard, and I put them in place just to give it some form. Then I spread the rest of the pebbles and I placed the pond pebbles and I brought in the inspector to give it a once over. With all of the pebbles of various sizes down, I gave it a good spray with the hose to remove the sand and sediment. Now I know the rock box is not going to look like this for long, and that's the point. They can move the stuff around, bring in new elements, and it won't hurt a thing. After all, my kid designed it, so he's entitled to change it as much as he wants. I just hope he extends the same opportunity to his little brother. Hey, this is Laura from The Unprofessional. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. And if you like this content, you can head over to my website, theunprofessional.com, for more.
All right, we're gonna do one more take. Do you know what a take is? It's where we do that again and we say it again, and then when I actually make the video, then I can pick and choose from the ones that we like the best, okay? Hi, Laura here from